how to add photo to your TikTok story. If you wish to add a photo to your TikTok story, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to simply open up our TikTok app and then make sure to sign into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen, and this is our profile page. Tap on the plus icon that you see next to your profile picture. Select the photo that you wish to add. Once done, you can add a couple of modifications if you want to. Then once you've done that, you can just tap on this little option from the bottom that says Your Story. And when you hit the Your Story button, depending upon the strength of your internet connection, it will take some time, but the upload process will be complete, and then you can see that we've successfully managed to upload our story. This way you can add photo to your TikTok story. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.